Light Dep Solutions internal frame automated greenhouses are a reliable and cost-effective means of light depth cultivation. Our frames are made from heavy-duty 1 5/8" tubing. Instead of the blackout tarp rolling up and down on the exterior of a greenhouse, all blackout components are kept inside, protected and isolated from the elements. That means less problems with wind, rain, snow, and debris. Similar to a dual-pane window, the structure is better insulated and easier to maintain ideal temperatures. By controlling the light cycle, multiple harvests in a season can be achieved. Our structures come stock with high-quality automated blackout components and manual crank sidewall ventilation. We're stocked with accessories and ship these complete kits out on 12-foot pallets. We're well versed in our product line and hope you'll consider Light Dep Solutions for your future greenhouse projects.